We have an alert on Sector 4. Check the water pressure.
Confirmed. Adjusting flow rate now.
Check the pressure differential on the hydraulics, upper left screen.
Rerunning the simulation now.
Looks within tolerance.
We need to optimize the hydraulic system layout before finalizing the shield structure.
The current design shows acceptable stress levels.
Clearance check on Zone 3.
Inclinometer confirms 0.1 degrees.
Hold pressure. Reading nominal. Align the flare fittings before you hit it with the impact wrench.
Got it. The Rexroth unit is almost secured.
Down 2 feet. Hold it there.
Accumulator pre-charge verified. Circuit A holding 200 bar, decay 0.
Check the torque.
Connect the ground strap.
The hydraulic pressure on line 4 is stable.
Confirmed. Let's cross-reference the MTU specs on the tablet.
Steady on the drop. Lock it in place now. We need that secured before the next shift.
Control, ground, we are clear. Repeat, we are clear. Continue descent to the chassis. Hold 10 millimeters.
Roger. Stable.
Align the mounts. Easy now, set it down slowly. Clear.
All right, bring it down slow. Watch the clearance on the left side. Easy now, set it right on the mark.
Okay, lower slowly. Watch the alignment on section 3.
Watch the alignment on the inner race. Torque sequence starting now.
Reading 8,000 Newton meters.
Push it to final load.
Rotation speed is stable. Are the bearing temperatures within tolerance?
Yes, completely nominal. We are good for the acceptance report.
Confirming alignment on the upper studs. Maintain pressure and seat the bead.
Rework the hydraulics on the cabin lift per the schematic. I want a full diagnostic before sign-off.
Check, 0 point confirmed.
Temperature's nominal.
We're at maximum load. Thermals are stable for now.
Copy that. Proceed with the final sequence.
Check the PQR for batch 4A.
Confirming the ultrasonic reports here.
All final checks are complete, madam. The specifications are fully met.
Very good. We formally accept the Bella 75-7 turret.
The inspection confirms the 450-ton capacity and the dual power plant system. We are now ready for the formal acceptance signing.
Wrap is tight on this section. Move to the rear. I'm securing the tensioners.
Lowering sequence engaged. Hold steady.
Looks good from here.
Confirm touchdown.
Okay, set her down easy on the rear saddles. Watch your clearance on the left side.
Copy that. Coming down slow.
Confirm the vessel cleared Suez at 0800. Send the updated manifest to the site team immediately. We need to expedite the rail portion or we miss the window.
Bring it down easy now. Watch the clearance. A little more to the left. Okay, hold it.
Okay, center it slowly. Right there, it's seated.
Hold it right there. A little to the left. Watch the pivot shaft. Easy now, easy.
Tire team clear to approach lift zone. Hydraulics, confirm pressure bleed complete. Final extension cycle complete. Pressures are nominal.
Looks good. Sign off on the acceptance form.